You said Eagleview's unmatched strength lies in the precision data we create frequently at scale. Can you expand how that data foundation positions Eagleview and now Eagleview Labs to lead the next generation of AI innovation?
Certainly. Eagleview's biggest advantage has always been the consistency and the precision of the data we collect. We're not just taking one-time snapshots, we're really building a living record of the physical world that we update on a continuous basis. That kind of accuracy and frequency gives our AI models something that few others have, which is truth at scale. With Eagleview Labs, we're building on that foundation by using that data to train and supply context to models that can detect change, measure impact, and help people make faster, better decisions. It's about taking something that we already do very well and using it to fuel what comes next.
In your quote in a recent news article, you mentioned that when fused with AI, Eagleview's proprietary data unlocks insights that transform how customers see and manage the world. What does that fusion look like in practice?
When we talk about fusing our precision data with AI, we're really talking about harnessing AI's ability to instantly integrate, relate, and interpret disparate data sets to enhance understanding and draw new insights. It's one thing to see the property from above, and it's another to have AI recognize every roof, wall, and driveway, and then instantly assess their dimensions, materials, condition, and degree of change over time. That's what our systems do. They translate pixels into real information that people can act on. Now extend that concept into any other potential application in physical AI at scale, whether it's identifying needs for property services in a community, assessing storm damage, evaluating human safety risks, or planning infrastructure projects. It's about using AI to make sense of what's happening in the real world instantly and accurately.
Eagleview Labs represents a new phase of innovation for the company. From a strategic perspective, how does Labs fit into Eagleview's long-term vision for growth and leadership in geospatial intelligence?
Eagleview Labs is how we keep pushing forward. It's our space for experimentation where we explore new AI models, new sensors and field capture platforms, and new ways of delivering insight. But it's not just about internal innovation. We built labs to work directly with customers, partners, and other innovators who want to tackle real-world challenges together with Eagleview. By co-developing and testing ideas in the field, we can move from concept to impact much faster. Strategically, that collaboration helps ensure that what we build isn't just technologically advanced, but it's also immediately relevant and valuable to our customers and partners. Labs is how we turn innovation into progress that everyone can benefit from.
How do you see Eagleview Labs changing the landscape of geospatial intelligence and the way organizations use data to make decisions?
Eagleview Labs is helping us to shift geospatial intelligence from something that's reactive to something proactive. Historically, you would look at imagery to understand what happened. Now, you can use it to anticipate where, when, and how to deploy resources and to take action. So that could mean things like providing real-time updates for communities in crisis, spotting early signs of deteriorating condition of structures, identifying construction trends, or even tracking how landscapes are evolving. It moves geospatial data from a record-keeping tool to more of a decision-making tool, a tool that helps organizations act in real time instead of waiting for reports after the fact.
Eagleview has decades of high-resolution imagery and structured data. How does Eagleview Labs leverage that data foundation technically and strategically to unlock new applications and value for customers?
Eagleview has more than 2 decades of imagery and structured data, and that history gives us a unique perspective on change. Eagleview Labs uses that archive to train and supplement AI that doesn't just see a single moment, but understands patterns over time. Things like how neighborhoods are growing, how infrastructure is aging, and how natural environments are shifting. That temporal context is very powerful. It lets us build products that don't just describe what's there, but help predict what's coming next. And strategically, it's one of the deepest and most valuable data foundations in our industry.
As industries move towards AI-first architectures, what does Eagleview Labs represent in terms of evolving our technical stack and integration capabilities to meet that future?
This is the really exciting part. Eagleview Labs is modernizing how our technology connects and learns. We're making it possible for AI systems, both ours and our partners, to communicate directly and to use our data without extra layers in between. We're using technologies like Model Context Protocol. Our tools and data can be called by other AI models in a standardized, secure way. And with agent-to-agent integration, those models can actually coordinate with each other and share tasks and results automatically. We're also developing ways to encode and organize our geospatial data so AI can use and understand it as more than just images. It can recognize shapes, locations, and changes over time. In practice, this means that our data can plug directly into other AI platforms, making it faster and easier for customers to integrate Eagleview intelligence into their own workflows. It's how we're preparing for a future where systems don't just exchange data, they collaborate on understanding it.